All right, look at here, folks. You want to change your life during the quarantine? You got a couple of ingredients you need for this. You got your bacon, homemade gravy, fried egg, homemade biscuit. All right. So you're gonna cut your biscuit open. You're gonna put your egg. You're gonna put your bacon on here, and then you're gonna top it off like a bacon, egg, and cheese. But well, it's hard to do this one-handed. All right, this is gonna be like a bacon, egg, and cheese minus the cheese, and we're gonna add one good ingredients. Go ahead, and give me a gob of that. You give me a gob of that, honey?
Yes.
We're waiting on the gob getter. All right, watch this. Watch this, folks. I highly suggest y'all get one of those bacon, egg, and gravy biscuits and try it in the morning. I'm thinking about having one right now. They're delicious. It's unbelievable. It's the best thing you'll put in your mouth. It'll make your tongue slap your brains out if you ain't careful.